What is the role of a teacher in Buddhism? Why is so much significance given to finding a genuine teacher? Actually, the role of a teacher is to learn. There's nothing else, we need to learn. So if we need to learn, we need to have a teacher who can teach us, who can guide us, who can show us, who can explain us, who can become also a good influence, a good example also. So therefore, we need a teacher and a good teacher, a genuine teacher, that we can confidently follow, or we can, we can be confident that we can learn something from this teacher. And why we need a teacher? Basically, because basically, the good people in the world, good people in the world, are because they become good, they become compassionate, they become kind, they become wise, they do positive things, help others, because that's what they learned from their teachers. Teachers is not necessarily teachers in a classroom, but teacher can be, their parents can be their teacher, the society can be their teacher, and some colleagues or the friends can be that, whatever gives them the right or wrong influence, that's also a teacher. So therefore, since very ancient time in India, actually in the East, all over East, I think there is this thing. Maybe not only in the East, that a good teacher, somebody who has lots of wisdom, lots of understanding, and also compassion. Otherwise, they could teach you the wrong one, the wrong way. Is very much valued, since ancient times. Because if you have a very good guide, if you have a very good influence, then you become a good person, a learned person, a wise person, an educated, properly educated, good educated. It's not just information. It's about becoming a good person, genuinely wise, means know what is right and what is wrong, and what to do, what not to do, at what time. So therefore, that is the teachers, that's why that's the teacher's role, and that's why it's important and very valuable to find good teachers, good influence, a very good kind of example, and somebody that you can look up to, and if possible take guidance and ask for advice and instructions and that you can learn from. That's the